So it's time to choose another kids' invention to bring to life.
Kids invent stuff.
Last month, we asked kids for their ideas for portable gadgets.
And we were sent loads of awesome ideas for portable gadgets that can be taken with you wherever you go.
And here's our top 5 favourites.
Aya, age 10, created a portable device that can fold out to be either a sledge or a bike. We really loved Kai's design for a hovering, fan-powered cat house, so your cat can travel with you. Daisy's awesome invention is a hat with a twist. It has a pom-pom with sweets hidden inside and built-in coloured lights. James created a milkshake blender that goes on your back, so you can make milkshake wherever you go. Sophia designed a portable sofa which folds up and straps to your back, so you can have a comfy seat wherever you travel.
A massive thank you to everyone who sent in an invention idea. We love looking through all your invention ideas. It's one of the best bits to our job.
So there were some amazing ideas we were sent, but as always, we can only bring to life one kids' invention this month. So here is what we're going to be building.
We're going to be building 10-year-old Maya's awesome school bag invention. It's got a built-in umbrella and features lots of other cool gadgets.
So we're going to be bringing to life 10-year-old Maya's crazy rucksack invention idea.
It's like the ultimate school backpack.
With built-in gadgets that do stuff as you're wandering around.
This is like the perfect thing I wish I had at school.
So join us to see what happens when we bring to life Maya's invention.
See you next week.
Bye!
Kids invent stuff.
If you're new to our channel, you can subscribe here and you can watch some of the crazy stuff we build here.